Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're passionate about woodworking or just love unique home decor, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create stunning handmade wooden vases that are not only beautiful, but also perfect for adding a touch of nature to your space. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, I'll guide you through simple techniques and tips to craft your own one-of-a-kind pieces. We'll explore different designs, wood types, and finishing touches that will make your vases stand out. So grab your tools, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of woodworking together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any future projects. Let's get started. Next, we move to a more contemporary expression of wooden art, often combined with other materials for textural contrast. This abstract wall sculpture features a dynamic interplay of geometric shapes. We see squares, rectangles, and circles crafted from various woods, some with textured surfaces and subtle hints of metallic or colored accents like teal and gold. These wooden elements are integrated into a larger framework of dark, possibly metal, abstract lines, creating a multi-dimensional effect. The contrast between the rougher wood textures, the smoother painted surfaces, and the stark lines provides visual intrigue and would make a sophisticated statement piece in a modern or industrial-inspired interior. It showcases how wood can be part of a larger, more complex artistic vision. From abstract to intricate, this piece is a testament to precision and the beauty of contrasting wood tones. Here we have a stunning geometric inlay forming a star pattern within a larger square. Crafted from two different types of wood, one lighter, possibly maple or birch, and one darker, perhaps walnut or mahogany. The differing grains and colors create a captivating optical illusion of depth and dimension. This kind of work highlights the meticulous skill involved in woodworking, where each piece is cut and fitted perfectly. It could serve as a decorative tile, a small tabletop inlay, or even a standalone art piece, adding a touch of sophisticated craftsmanship to any surface. Moving into functional art, let's admire this exquisite live-edge wooden clock. This piece celebrates the raw, untouched beauty of nature. The clock face itself is a cross-section of a tree, likely an olive or burl wood, preserving its organic contours and deep, intricate grain patterns. The dark, textured edges are the live edge, showcasing the natural bark and growth. Encircling this natural form is a sleek, black metal ring, providing a clean, modern frame that contrasts beautifully with the organic wood. Simple black hands mark the time, ensuring the focus remains on the wood's inherent artistry. This clock is more than just a time-telling device. It's a sculptural element that brings the serenity of nature into your home. Now let's explore how wood transforms into magnificent furniture pieces that are works of art in themselves. This cabinet is a breathtaking example of artistic woodworking. The two doors feature an incredible combination of wood types and techniques. One door showcases the distinct growth rings of a tree trunk, creating a focal point with its concentric circles, while the other side flows into a darker, more uniform wood. But the true magic lies in the carved, skeletal tree branching across the surface, seemingly emerging from the wood itself. This piece is a masterclass in blending natural form with functional design, making it an extraordinary statement piece for any upscale interior, blurring the lines between furniture and fine art. Sometimes, the simplest forms of wood decor are the most striking. Here we see a beautiful live-edge wooden slab, likely intended as a serving board or a decorative display piece. The natural, irregular shape of the wood, complete with its unique curves and undulations, is preserved. The rich, varied tones and prominent grain patterns speak volumes about the wood's origin and character. There are natural knots and slight imperfections that only add to its authenticity and charm. This piece celebrates the raw beauty of wood, bringing an organic, rustic elegance to table settings or as a decorative accent on its owl. Let's turn our attention to these captivating wooden screens or sculptures, which showcase the power of texture and repetition. These appear to be two half-circle panels, intricately carved with radiating, ridged patterns that resemble fan blades or sunbursts. The light wood tone further accentuates the shadows and highlights created by the carved texture, giving the pieces a dynamic, almost kinetic feel. Mounted on simple bases, they stand as elegant, abstract forms. These could be used as decorative room dividers, wall art, or even as parts of a larger architectural feature, demonstrating how carved wood can create incredible visual movement and tactile appeal. Moving into the realm of pure sculpture, we encounter pieces that challenge our perception of form. This abstract wooden cube sculpture is a marvel of design and craftsmanship. While starting with a basic cube shape, the interior has been meticulously carved to create a swirling, almost Mobius strip-like void, giving it an incredible sense of fluidity and movement within a solid form. The natural grain of the wood, likely pine or a similar light wood, follows these curves, enhancing the illusion. This piece is a celebration of negative space and sculptural elegance, making it a sophisticated accent for a minimalist or contemporary decor setting. Our next sculpture continues the exploration of organic forms. This piece is characterized by its smooth, flowing lines and a sense of gentle movement. Crafted from a single piece of wood, it has been exquisitely shaped to resemble a wing, a wave, or an abstract natural element. While predominantly smooth, some areas might feature subtle texturing to add interest. The rich, warm tones of the wood, with its visible grain, highlight the curves and contours of the sculpture. Presented on a simple, dark pedestal, this piece is designed to be admired from all angles, bringing a sense of calm and natural beauty to any space. This sculpture offers a striking contrast of smooth and rugged, clean wood and natural inclusions. We see two gracefully curving wooden forms, seemingly embracing or intertwining. The polished wood showcases beautiful grain patterns, creating a sense of dynamic flow. However, what makes this piece truly unique is the integration of a darker, perhaps uncarved or naturally weathered section, possibly from a burl or a root, adding a raw, textural element that grounds the fluidity of the polished wood. This blend of refined craftsmanship and natural, unrefined beauty makes it a powerful and intriguing art piece, perfect for sparking conversation. Finally, let's immerse ourselves in the captivating world of figurative wood carving with this impressive dolphin sculpture. This piece features a dynamic column of gracefully leaping and diving dolphins, all carved from rich, dark wood. The artist has captured the energy and movement of these marine creatures, with each dolphin flowing into the next, creating a sense of continuous motion. At the base, we can also see smaller details, perhaps coral or other marine life, grounding the sculpture. This piece is a magnificent example of how wood can be transformed into vibrant, lifelike forms, bringing the wonder of the ocean indoors and serving as a grand statement piece in any room. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of wooden decor. Whether rustic, modern, abstract, or figurative, wood continues to inspire and enchant, proving that nature's artistry, combined with human skill, creates truly timeless pieces for our homes.